My role on Cygnus is as instrument scientist, so that means I am in charge of sort of integrating the actual instrument that will make the measurements into the satellites. I'm also in sort of leading the L1 calibration, so this is the basic measurements that come out of the instrument need to be calibrated, in other words, removing all of the effects that we don't want due to the instrument and get down to the measurement on the surface. Currently, I'm working on testing the calibration algorithms that I just mentioned. So we're basically trying to test these algorithms before launch and make sure that they're implemented correctly in the Science Operations Center. What I enjoy most is actually to see the program from beginning to end. So I was involved right from the proposal stage, and I'll be involved right through the mission operations and launch. And just seeing the whole mission come together and being introduced to a lot of different people in different fields. So the field that I was normally in was kind of insular, and this program is bringing in other people and kind of broadening out the application. So this kind of bigger picture that I don't often get when you work on satellite missions. The actual methods that this instrument uses is are the subject of my PhD thesis. So it was really nice to see that my PhD didn't just sit on a shelf somewhere and be some sort of like little esoteric bit of knowledge, but it actually was picked up by other people and put into a proposal and selected. And so I'm actually seeing some continuation of the research that I worked on years ago, and now it's kind of coming to fruition in a larger project, and that's really fulfilling to see that. So it launches in about a year, and then we start getting real data and real measurements, and that's always the exciting time to actually move away from the simulations and the testing and start getting real data and real measurements, and so I'm looking forward to that.